Welcome to Senior Wellness and Health. Today, we are diving into a topic that touches every single one of us eventually: how to naturally maintain radiant, healthy skin and reduce wrinkles after 60. If you have ever wondered whether it is truly possible to age gracefully without filling your cabinet with chemical-laden products, then this is a video you will not want to miss. Stick around until the very end, because I will be sharing one overlooked yet powerful practice that can dramatically boost your skin's vitality and help you glow from the inside out. Let us begin with a little story. A few years ago, my friend Maryanne turned 65. She had always been vibrant, full of life, and passionate about health. But one day, she looked in the mirror and realized her skin no longer reflected how alive she felt inside. The sparkle in her eyes was still there, but fine lines, dryness, and sagging skin had started to cloud her confidence. Instead of turning to expensive creams or procedures, Maryanne made a different choice. She returned to the basics. She began to nourish her body and skin from within, relying on time-tested, natural strategies. And the results? Just 6 months later, people were stopping her in the grocery store to ask what products she used. She would smile and say, "Just water, walnuts, and a lot of love." That is what this video is all about. Natural, holistic practices that support your skin's vitality after 60 and help you feel radiant again without resorting to invasive treatments. Let us start with hydration. You have probably heard it before, but there is a reason water is often called the foundation of youth. As we age, our skin naturally becomes thinner and loses its ability to retain moisture. That means dehydration shows up quickly as wrinkles, dullness, and sagging. The first and most powerful step you can take is to drink more water throughout the day. Start your morning with a warm glass of lemon water. Not only does it hydrate, it supports digestion and gives your skin a gentle detox. Try to sip water consistently throughout the day, rather than drinking large amounts all at once. Herbal teas, infused waters with cucumber or mint, and fresh coconut water are also wonderful for hydration and skin health. Next, let us talk about the magic of collagen. Collagen is the structural protein that keeps your skin plump and firm. After the age of 30, our collagen production begins to decline, and by 60, it can be significantly reduced. The good news? You can support collagen production naturally through your diet. Bone broth is one of the best sources of collagen and also helps with joint health, which is a win-win. If you are plant-based, focus on collagen-boosting nutrients like vitamin C, zinc, and amino acids found in foods such as citrus fruits, berries, leafy greens, pumpkin seeds, and avocados. Spirulina, a blue-green algae, is another excellent source of skin-supportive nutrients and can easily be added to a smoothie. Let us move on to healthy fats. Omega-3 fatty acids are essential for skin elasticity and hydration. Fat is not the enemy here, it is your skin's best friend. Foods like walnuts, flax seeds, chia seeds, and cold water fish such as salmon and sardines are packed with omega-3s. These fats help reduce inflammation, which plays a role in skin aging, and support the skin's barrier function, keeping it soft and resilient. Antioxidants are also crucial players in your skin's defense system. They help combat free radicals, which are unstable molecules that damage your cells and accelerate aging. Think of antioxidants as your skin's personal bodyguards. Berries, dark chocolate, green tea, red grapes, and colorful vegetables like carrots, bell peppers, and sweet potatoes are rich in these protective compounds. Try eating the rainbow each day. The more vibrant your plate, the more powerful the skin benefits. Now, let us not forget about the external side of skincare. While what you eat shows up on your skin, the products you put on your skin matter just as much, especially after 60, when the skin barrier becomes more delicate. Many commercial skincare products contain harsh chemicals, fragrances, and preservatives that can irritate mature skin. Look for non-toxic, natural options. Ingredients like aloe vera, jojoba oil, rosehip oil, and shea butter can deeply nourish without causing inflammation. One of the simplest routines includes just 3 steps: a gentle cleanse, a hydrating toner like rose water, and a natural oil or moisturizer to lock in hydration. Another hidden gem is facial massage. Maryanne began giving herself a 10-minute facial massage every night using a few drops of organic jojoba oil. She would gently massage in upward strokes, especially around the cheeks, jawline, and eyes. This daily ritual not only helped improve circulation and reduce puffiness, but gave her skin a noticeable lift and glow. Plus, it became a moment of loving self-care, a time to relax and connect with herself. Sun protection also becomes more important with age. While getting sunlight is essential for vitamin D, too much unprotected exposure accelerates skin aging. Wear a wide-brimmed hat when you are outdoors, and if you use sunscreen, opt for one made with mineral ingredients like zinc oxide or titanium dioxide rather than synthetic chemicals. Your skin will thank you. Now here is the overlooked practice I mentioned earlier, the one that made a big difference for Maryanne. Stress reduction. Chronic stress increases the hormone cortisol, which breaks down collagen and contributes to premature aging. When you are stressed, it shows on your face. Deep wrinkles, jaw tension, dullness, all of it can be traced back to stress. So, what is the solution? Practices like meditation, deep breathing, journaling, and spending time in nature. Even taking 10 minutes to sit in the garden, breathe deeply, and listen to the birds can lower stress and rejuvenate your appearance. Beauty truly begins in a calm mind. Let us not forget the power of sleep. During sleep, your body enters a repair mode and your skin regenerates. If you are not sleeping well, your skin will likely show it. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of restful sleep each night. To improve your sleep, create a soothing bedtime routine. Avoid screens an hour before bed, enjoy a cup of calming chamomile tea, and perhaps rub a little lavender oil on your wrists to ease into slumber. When you wake up rested, your skin looks brighter, your eyes sparkle, and your entire presence feels lighter. Now, let us summarize what we have covered. To reduce wrinkles and support glowing skin after 60, start by hydrating throughout the day. Eat collagen-boosting foods like bone broth, citrus fruits, and leafy greens. Include omega-3-rich sources like walnuts and salmon. Load your meals with antioxidant-rich foods and avoid inflammatory choices like processed sugar and deep-fried foods. On the outside, nourish your skin with natural oils, gentle cleansers, and sun protection. Add a few minutes of facial massage, reduce stress through mindfulness practices, and prioritize sleep as a non-negotiable part of your beauty routine. The key takeaway here is this: you do not need to chase youth. You only need to care for your body in a way that honors its wisdom and vitality. Glowing skin is not just about looking younger. It is about feeling good, embracing your age, and radiating the joy that comes from within. Now it is your turn. What are your favorite natural skincare practices? Have you tried bone broth, facial massage, or rosehip oil? I would love to hear your experiences and tips in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and share it with someone you love. Remember, it is never too late to glow. Let us age with grace, together. Thank you for watching Senior Wellness and Health. Until next time, stay radiant, stay healthy, and stay inspired.